In this tutorial, I'm going to tell you about how to choose the best course content for your online course. Let's begin. Choosing the best course content for your online course is highly important to the success of the course. If the course content is not in high demand or you are not passionate about it, your course will be boring and fail to attract customers. There are 3 ways to ensure that your course content is a hit for both you and your customers. 1. Pick a topic that you are passionate about. The first step to choosing the best course content is to select a topic that you're passionate about. If you're not passionate about the topic, you should not expect your viewers to be either. The reason for this is that your lack of passion will translate to the videos, and viewers will find it boring and not engaging enough for their money or time. If you select a topic you're passionate about, your viewers will feel more enthusiasm and working on your course will not feel like a chore. You can begin to decide on your course content by asking yourself some of the following questions. What do I love doing? What makes me excited? What do I love telling other people about? What do I wish more people knew or cared about? Once you answer these questions, you'll begin to have a better sense of what you're passionate about and what you should make your course on. The second step to choosing the best course content is to select a topic that you are also knowledgeable about. Although you do not need to be a professor or have the most extensive knowledge on the topic, you must be able to talk about it in an informative and educated way. If not, you'll get a bad reputation and few people will want to join your online course. After you narrow down the topics you're passionate about, begin evaluating your knowledge on these topics. You can evaluate your knowledge by asking yourself the following questions. What topic do I have the most experience in? Do I have any degrees in the topics I'm interested in? What topics have I been practicing or working on the longest? What topics have I helped other people on before? After you ask yourself these questions, select the topic that you decide you are the most knowledgeable about and experienced in. Finally, the third step to choosing the best course content is to select a topic that is in high demand. Selecting a topic that is in high demand ensures that enough people will be interested in your topic. If the topic is not in high demand, your course will not be accessed much and you will not make much money from it. Here are some questions you can ask yourself to discern if your topic is in high demand. Is the topic relevant to today? Are people asking about the topic? Are there other courses on the topic? Are there gaps in information in the other courses? If you answered yes to these questions, then the topic is probably in high demand. With this in mind, you have selected the perfect online course content for your skill sets and market if the topic is one that you're passionate about, knowledgeable on, and high in demand.